Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Soulful Shireen. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a side pose fashion croquis. First of all, start with an 11-inch vertical line and divide it into 9 equal parts. Then take a few blocks away from the first line and make an egg-shaped head. Then again, draw 5 heads but on the left side of the line. Now draw the last 3 heads falling centrally on the vertical line like the first head. The second, third, fourth, sixth and eighth lines will form the bust line, waistline, hip line, knee line and ankles respectively. On the first head I make an ellipse shape, and then in this small gap over here I make a tilted dash. Shape it out, drawing the head and the nape. From the neck, make a slightly curved line to form the bust line. The circle right here is the shoulder joint. Now, draw a vertical line covering the next 2 ovals to form the waist front. On head number 3, I form a small triangle and I join it with the shoulder joint with a slight curve. From the small triangle, make a round shape to form the hip line. Make a slanting line for the leg with a knee joint at the end. Connect the edges and draw another slanting line with ankle joint. Flesh out the calf and join it with the ankle. On the 9th head, the feet will be formed. Again, a slanting line and an ellipse shape at the end. and just flesh out the foot. Draw the back leg and another foot. To draw the arm, make a wave shape from the joint until the elbow. And make the forearm horizontally resting at the back. Flesh out the hand. Do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm adding certain features like the collarbone and upper waist, the lower waist, hip line. Until next time, goodbye and stay artistic.